Hi everyone and welcome. Thanks for clicking on. So today I'm going to teach you a very simple thing that I like to do when I'm making crafts, and that is creating my icicles. So these can be used as borders or just that little something to kind of make your winter crafts a little bit more special. So what you're going to need are construction papers of your choice. I recommend using a light blue and a white. And here I'm using both so that I can layer them. And you're going to need some scissors, a pencil, and for this video, for the sake of creating this video, I used a Sharpie marker. So first you're going to want to draw out your icicles, and you're going to see in a second when I use my Sharpie the reason why I use it so that you can see. You do your squiggly lines, and really you want to start at the half point of your paper and just kind of move up and down along the paper to create your icicle looks. Now you don't want to make this too neat. The squigglier, that's a word, the better, because icicles don't come out perfect. They don't come out as like perfect little lumps. They come out kind of squiggly and imperfect and in different sizes. So you can see I've created them in multiple sizes. Now I'm putting the papers together, and the next part is to cut, and all I'm doing is cutting along the lines. Now normally I do not use a Sharpie marker because I don't want it to show, of course, but for the sake of this video again, I used it so that the lines can appear, so that you guys can know exactly what I'm actually drawing. So what I'm going to do is, to make your life actually a lot easier, I'm actually going to create a little template of these icicles and put them online so that you guys can have something to trace or to look at to get a better example of what it is I'm doing in case this video is not clear enough. Here I sort of messed up a little bit and I had to kind of free cut it, which is okay. I know the general direction I was going, so it was fairly easy. Next I'm just kind of putting them together to see how they would look. And as you can see, I put the blue in the back, and then I put the white in the front to give it kind of a 3D effect, and then I made the blue a little bit higher than the white. Here I'm just putting some extra things just to kind of give an example of what you can add with it. I just quickly created a little snowman. This is kind of a last minute thing, to be honest. I just created a really rough sketch and cut it out, put it together, just to give an example of what you can put with it. So some people like to do bulletin boards. I know when they work in preschool and elementary school and things like that. So when you're creating your borders for your bulletin board, this is a good option to use for a winter one. I know some people like to buy their borders, but if you want to go a little bit extra, the one extra step, you can make this. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.